Hello everyone! I have been living in Baguio for almost 2 weeks. Yes, ang daming nangyari. Hindi ako nakakapag-vlog, hindi ako nakakapag-update, pero marami tayong pagsisikahan. Diba kanina maaraw? So I'm already here sa bagong company that I'm working for. I landed in Baguio August 5th, Monday, madaling araw. Stranded ako sa gilid ng terminal kasi I got here like 4:30 in the morning. Wala akong tutuluyan. It was a risk. Talagang sinugal ko lang. Wala pang work, wala lahat. But then again, may nagpapakit na taxi. So, sumakay ako. Sabi ko, kuya, saan ba tayo pwede mag-check-in dyan? Para mga gamit, mababa ko muna. Kasi marami rin akong dala, mabigat. 2 malaking eco bag, suitcase, backpack. So, nag-check-in ako sa Hollywood Inn sa May Marcos for the day. And then, friend ko, dumating, si Lindon. And then he and I, lumabas kami, naghanap kami ng possible na matutuluyan ko for at least a month. Sadly, walang natipuhan nung araw na yon. But nung gabi na, since may shift pa siya noon, sabi ko, sige, umuwi ka na, ako ng bahala. So, supposedly may transient ulit for like 500 a night, pero hindi natuloy yun. So, meron ako nakausap, and then sa may city hall mismo, malapit lang. So I was able to get a place. It's a bed space. So far, wala pa akong cashier sa room. Buti naman. But yeah, I've been staying there. And and then siguro, August 7, I went here, interview with the CEO, and then I got the job. I started same day. So nasa 4th floor ako. Ayan yung makikita. 'Di ba? Ang presko lang. Ang ganda kasi tuwan-tuwa yung mga lungs ko kasi malamig. And then there are times na umaga or gabi may fog. So like 19-18 degrees Celsius. So ganun siya kalamig. Blanket sa gabi. Although nagpa-fan pa rin ako. Nebulize pag may time, hindi nawawala. I'm actually about to start my shift. Maaga lang akong pumasok. But, yeah, so the house in Cavite, I had it rented out. I sold most of my stuff. And then I came here. Wala ang hirap makahanap ng work in Manila. Especially yung sa position ko. Kasi it's not that time of the year na mga tao nag-resign. Mga kumakapit, naghihintay ng 13th month. Pero, bigyan natin mga December, January, February, yan. May mga open dyan. But right now, wala. I didn't have a job from February until, eto lang August. So, that long. It's been really hard. My mom, together with my daughter, si ate, and the dogs, they went back to Hyaville. So, nagkaroon yata ng problem with the title and all. So, mas maganda may tao muna doon to stay, magbantay ng house. So, they're staying there now. The house in Cavite, it's being rented out for a year. And then I'm here. And then let's see what's gonna happen. In fairness, dito sa Baguio, sobrang nagdadry ang balat ko sa lamig. So, walang makeup. Lahat ng dala ko puro matte. So, pag medyo okay na, kailangan medyo dewy, puro moisturizer lang. Kaya pasensya na po, ganito itsura ko. Simpleng-simple, naka-black kasi birthday na CEO, may video greeting daw na gagawin or what. So, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Mag-shift lang ako. Haha! Fog baka mo! And there. More fog over there. Just to show you really quick, dito ko nakakuha ng place to stay here in Baguio. So, yan, may mga rooms. May, may table for sharing, kitchen. Medyo mahina ang boses ko kasi Nandito yata yung mga roomies ko. Or housemate. Ito yung room ko. Ayan. So, may fan. Ay, yung sacco bags. Diyan ko sinampay yung towel ko. That's my bed. Andiyan yung ibang gamit. Then, yan yung suitcase. Wala pa akong roomie. Or sa upper bunk. I'm using the, umikot ako. I'm using the cabinet dito sa baba. Tapos bakante yun nasa taas kasi for dun sa second floor ko. Sa upper bunk, kapag nandito na siya, siya naman yung nandun. So paglabas ng room, ito, actually shared yung CR. So this is one, may heater naman, and that's the second CR. Tapos ito yung view sa labas. So, diba, natapos yung shift, umuwi. Medyo hindi pa ganun kadilim ngayon, but I don't know kung kaya ko pa lumabas. Maybe I'll try to go out kung kaya pa. May mga kailangan akong bilhin kasi medyo malapit lang naman sa Burnham ito and sa Cheongsan. So, yeah, maybe I'll try to take you with me. Ewan ko kung makakapag-sightseeing kasi honestly, like 2 weeks na nandito, hindi ako lumalabas. Hindi pa ako nakakaikot talaga in Baguio. But, yeah, tingnan ko kung makakalabas ako ngayon. See how foggy it is? So, while walking, na-encuentro yung fog. I guess dito mas kita yung fog. Ayan o. Sa may Igorot Garden. Burnham is just there. Ayan. Akit kasi ako ng overpass. So, yun lang. I just wanted to show you. Good morning! So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog na ulit kahapon. Kasi, lumabas ako pero mabilis lang. So, ito, may shift ulit. On a Sunday. Ito, aabutin to hanggang mamaya. So, it's nakapag-lunch na. Nakapag-dessert na. Muulan eh. Tapos marami pa akong hahabulin na audits. Kasi ang in-applyan ko dito, OM eh. Pero all around. Tapos lumabas quality manager. Saan ka pa? So, natapos ako ng maaga ng lunch, maghahabol ng audits kasi deadline. And then, uwi na agad. Ulit, from Baguio. Ito, meron ng bagyo. Inabutan ako ng bagyo dito. Bagyong Enteng. Hindi siya ganun kalakas ngayon yung ulan. Medyo tumila. Pero, kagabi pa yan. So, it's colder and wet. And yung fog, iba. And right now, ang problem ko is yung kung saan ako nagsistay, they said na I have to be out in 2 days time. Biglang may nag-check na ng room na akala ko pwede ako for extension for another month. Pero hindi. So it's a big problem. I need to find a new place to stay. Kung hindi, ewan ko, sa Kangkungan ako pupulutin. So, I don't know. I really don't know. Medyo tuliro ang lola nyo. Putol-putol yung vlog, obviously, kasi, yes, busy sa work, nandito yung clients for like 3 weeks, nag-dinner, and then, umalis pa yung katukayo ko, si Win, na OM, so, I'm now assuming his role. I'm the OM here, kasi QM or quality manager ako when he was here, but now, I'm the OM and the QM. I'm all around. Stress sa work, but, it's part of it, diba? But yung sa titirahan, it's additional stress na hindi ko pa alam kung paano. May nakausap ako sa Facebook, supposedly, titingnan ko ngayong umaga, kausap ko kagabi. Maayos eh. Pero for some reason, bigla na block na ako ngayong umaga. So I don't know. Hindi ko alam, scammer ba or may nakakuha na nung studio na dapat kukunin ko. Pero pag gano'n, at least have the decency na magsabi, di ba? But anyway, we'll see. Yan ang bagyo. Hello po, galing sa may sakit. May tissue pa, di ba? So, sinisipon, tinatrangkaso. It's another day, a new day. Actually, hapon na. Umabsent ako today kasi I had to look for a place to stay. Kasi, ay nako, chichika ko mamaya. But anyway, hindi kasi naging maganda yung where I was staying before. But anyway, I was able to get it's a transient house. Malapit lang din doon kung saan ako nagstay before. Tapos, solo ko na yung room. Ayan, solo ko yung room. Though double deck siya, pwede ko lagyan ng gamit. Or kung bet ko siguro dun sa taas na tulog, pwede rin. Ayan, mas malaki naman yung space. Ayan yung gamit. Ayan, cabinet. Diyan yung ibang gamit. And then, may mirror. Hi! Tapos, ayan, may wifi. So, ikot ko kayo maya-maya. Siguro you know what? Hindi. Ikot na tayo ngayon. So, ayan siya. Buti may double lock. Anyway, paglabas ng room ko, to your right, ito na. May CR agad. So, buti na lang doon ako. Ang maganda pa, shower siya. So, hindi ako mahirapan. It's not much, but at least, mas malinis compared before. Tapos, dito, to the left, is yung kanilang toilet. Tapos, ayan, may bidet siya, in fairness. So, yun. And, eto, balik tayo. So, dito yung room. Ako ay room 2. So, dito may hallway. I think dito banda sa 4 yata meron na raw. Tapos ito may common area, sala. Fairness, maganda yung sofa. Ayan, may hot water anytime, pwede ako magkape. Tapos dito pag diniretso, ayan, may kitchen. Pwedeng gamitin yung ref, tapos yung mga lutuan and all that, pwedeng gamitin daw, sabi nung may-ari. So, all in all, this is better. Mas malaki, mas may space ako compared dun sa before. It's already not much, pero lalo naman yung before ko, mas grabe yun. So, yun. Nakalipat ako for today. But, I don't know kung gaano katagal dito. So, nakalipas na ang ilang araw. And I've been staying here nga sa transient na nakuha ko. And, well, so far so good. Kasi, actually, ang sarap ng tulog ko nga last night. Parang nag-alarm ako supposedly kasi nag-charge lang ako ng tablet. Tapos magigising. Naalipungatan ako. Sabi ko, hala, 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. na. May pasok pa ako, ganyan. Only to, realize na parang, hala, 9 p.m. pa lang pala. Ang pasok ko kinabukasan pa. So, natulog ako ulit. In short, wala pa yatang 8 natulog na ako kasi nga, I've been sick. So, ayan, medyo may konting sipon. Pero grabe pala yung Simdex na gamot. Parang ano na siya combination ng paracetamol na may I don't know, for colds as well. Pero nakatulong siya, in fairness. Which reminds me, inom pala ako ulit. So anyway, yun, I've been sick the past couple of days. Pati yung paglipat ko, I was sick noon. Pero walang choice eh. Kailangan lumipat. Kundi, wala akong titirahan. Ano nga eh, sa office, tinanong parang, what's your address? Sabi ko, pwede ba sa QC yung ibigay ko or sa Cavite? It has to be dito sa Baguio. Sabi ko, ano address bibigay ko? Wala akong address. But anyway, binigay ko dala yung address ng transient. Ganun pala yung feeling na pag tinanong ako sa ka nakatira, tapos wala ako masagot. Hindi maganda, actually. So, yeah. I know, puro mukha ko yung nakikita ninyo. hindi gaano like kung saan-saan nagpupunta kasi hindi nga ako talaga nakakalabas or nakakaikot, puro work lang. But yun naman din kasi talaga yung purpose ko eh. Kaya ako nag-Baguio is to find work and then, I don't know, probably start over. Ganun. Yeah, the past several months hasn't been easy at all. No? Mahirap na wala kang trabaho, naubos yung naipon mo na funds, na at the same time, hindi pa maganda yung relationship mo with your family. So, I know you see me all smiles and all that, but it's not like that all the time. No, that's reality of life. I don't want to open up dito. My life, let's just say, is not really an open book, but wala naman akong tinatagong sikretong malupit. It's just, ginagawa mo lang kung anong dapat mong gawin to make ends meet. So, the past several months, nung magmula nang lumipat na biglaan sa Cavite, parang alam mo, hindi kasi prepared talaga for that lipat. I had to quit my job dun sa BPO back in QC, and then dapat meron akong work from home na makukuha, but apparently wala akong nakuha. And then all the bills to pay na hindi mo na malaman saan mo dadamputin para makabayad, kailangan makakain ng tao sa bahay and all that. It's not just me having a hard time with all of this. I know my mom is, even yung anak ko, adjusting to all of this. But ganun yung buhay eh. So, to top it off, si Tiger, one of our dogs, we lost him. He passed away last May. Parang it's another form of distemper. Kasi alam ko pag distemper, like yung, hindi ko alam if it's farvo or parvo, yung parang nagna number 1 and nagna number 2, tapos may kasamang blood yun yung alam ko. But for Tiger kasi hindi ganun yung nangyari. Sobrang nanghina lang siya, and may iyak siya na hindi mo alam kung kasi hindi na niya kayang angat yung sarili niya, nakahiga na lang and all. But yeah, I'll insert a few video clips kung paano yung, or kung ano yung nangyari nun. Tubig. Ano ba kaya? Hindi kaya yung uli niya. Ba't mo ba? Dixie, hindi ikaw. Shh! Dixie! Ano, nakabalik ko ba yung ano niya? Yung buto sa likod?
Hindi. Nakalaylay.
Nakalaylay, kaso tinan mo yung ulo.
Mabigat siguro ulo niyan.
So, paano ko siya kakalungin?
Ganyan.
Tiger. Uy, harap ka sa akin. Hey! So, yeah, yun yung isa sa mga napaka masakit na nangyari. And yeah, I had to bring Tiger to the Vetridge sa Cavite noon. We had to put him to sleep kasi he was really in pain. And, well, not anymore. Tapos, dun siya nakalibing sa subdivision in Cavite. But, yeah, alam din nung 3 dogs, si Ginger, si Yancy, si Dixie, ramdam nila eh. Kasi, wala na yung baby boy. But yeah, at least hindi na nga siya in pain. And I know that he's in doggy heaven. Diba nga? Kung yung mga pet lovers siya, or dog lovers, fur parents, I know you'd understand. So, anyway, ito, it's another weekend. Yeah, wala pa rin akong nahanap na matutuluyan permanently or semi-permanently here in Baguio. But, you know what, the CEO, he actually offered na I stay dun sa building, or actually house, right beside our site. Kasi he bought it. And, you know, there's a lot of rooms. Ang plan niya kasi parang gagawin yung locker area yung sa baba. And then may isang room sa baba pero the second floor, doon talaga maraming rooms. It's a big house. There's like a fireplace and all. 4 bathrooms in total, parang ganun. So, medyo mabigat nga lang yung feeling kasi medyo eerie. Lalo na yung banda pa punta sa likod. Pero, gagawin daw si area rin pala yun sa ground floor. But anyway, yun nga, may room na parang medyo magaang yung pakiramdam ko. But, I don't know if he's also planning to stay in that house. Sabi ko na nakakahiya naman. But, he was kind enough to offer nga, like, get my own lock na lang din or what. Until I find, like, a place to stay talaga here. But, I'm still deciding then if I will be, you know, I'll take his offer or not. But here, I already paid for like 5 days. Mahal din. It's $650 a day eh. So, nasa 3,250 yung binayaran ko just for me to have a place to stay, a bed to sleep in, para may malagyan yung mga gamit ko and all. So, yeah. Buti na lang din may dalang mga gamot kasi nga, di ba, nagsakit ako and sana talaga hindi na lumala pa yung hika ko kasi mahirap. Walang HMO. So, yun lang naman ang mga ganap sa buhay-buhay natin dyan. And, yeah, on the next vlog, I hope na mas marami na akong maipakita na places here in Baguio. I will really try na ma-share sa inyo yun, lalo na pag nag-ikot-ikot dito. If I can find time, but okay, I guess I'll try to find time para gawin yun, no? Para mas okay naman, mas may happening yung vlog. Kasi 6 days a week yung work eh. So, isang day off lang. And normally, pag off, laundry ang ginagawa ko, pahinga and all. But yeah, so, abangan po. Sana nandyan pa rin kayo, nanonood sa akin. Kasi, I know matagal din ako hindi nag-upload. But yeah, this is my life now. So, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!